Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, this is 55-inch Iffalcon LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is no power problem due to lightning. So here instead of this actual Smps we are installing alternate power supply board. With same sockets and connection, the only difference is Smps smaller than the default original Smps. Anyway, the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.